Hey apples, welcome back to my channel. And yes, from now on, if you realize from last year I've been putting hey apples in the description box, I think I'll be calling you guys my apples. So yeah, I'm back with a video and it will be a skincare review on this product. I showed you guys on my vlog channel and I told you I would do one on here. So let's jump into it. Now, if you're wondering about this makeup look, I did a tutorial for it. I won't upload it until next week Wednesday, so stay tuned if you really want to see how I got this. Just tune in back next week Wednesday, and I got a hair tutorial on this style right here, and I'll leave the link to the style in the description box, so make sure you check out the description box. Just a little disclaimer here, this video is not a sponsored video. I'm not partnering up with anybody, nothing like that. This is just my honest view on this product that I tried out from my local beauty store. So yeah, okay, this product, the name of it is Promise Organic, and you can get it at any of your local beauty store. And it says it's ultra moisturizing argan cream facial cleanser with soap berries. It gently removes impurities and detoxifies pores. Normal to dry skin. So it's for normal to dry skin. Dermatologist tested, paraben free, and aloe base. And you all know I love me some aloe vera. So yeah. And at the back, it says, we promise results. Argan oil and soap berries provide deep cleansing and moisturization so skin feels smooth. Aloe vera, not water, is our first ingredient to ensure hydration and nourishment. 100% of ingredients are naturally derived, and it tells we promise purity. Then it says no parabens, harsh sulfates, silicones, artificial colorants, or synthetic fragrance. So you know, I can say it's pretty natural, and even when you take a deeper look at like the ingredients down here, it's pretty natural. Now, what I can tell you guys, it like when you first start using it, you might feel frustrated, guys, because it is like it tingles you so hard. Like if you leave it on too long, you'll pretty much feel like it's burning your freaking face off. But it's not doing that. I realized that after like a week in using it, like I didn't have that problem at all. It was perfect. I love it. Like every time I use it, I can see like amazing result. I see the difference when I wash it off my face. I'm not saying that when you use a product, like after one use, like you see result. I'm not saying that, but I could see, and I've been using it for more than 2 months now, and I see results. I love it. It smells like citrus, and I love me some anything that smells like berries. I love berries so much. So yeah, and guys, that's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you come across it in your local beauty supply store and you're wondering, should I try it? Yes, it's a good product. And guys, that's it. Until my next video, guys. One love.